Welcome back! We've rounded up 20 of the best early Black Friday deals on Amazon you can grab right now. These offers are live for a limited time only. So let's jump straight into today's hottest discounts. Our first deal features the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, now 25% off, priced at $899, down from $1,199. This flagship phone combines Google's Gemini AI, a 100x ProRes zoom camera with 8K video, the powerful Tensor G5 chip, and a bright 6.8-inch Super Actua display built with durable aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Our second deal features the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet, now 50% off, priced at $70, down from $140. It offers 25% faster performance with 3 GB of RAM, a vivid 10.1-inch Full HD display, 13-hour battery life, durable aluminosilicate glass, and easy access to entertainment, creativity, and family-friendly features through Amazon Kids Plus. Our third deal features the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, now 17% off, priced at $1,499, down from $1,799. This cutting-edge foldable boasts an 8-inch Super Actua Flex display, a durable gearless hinge with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the powerful Tensor G5 chip, Gemini AI for multitasking and creativity, and a pro camera system with 20 times Super Res zoom. Our fourth deal features the Fitbit Versa for Fitness smartwatch, now 40% off, priced at $120, down from $200. It offers built-in GPS, over 40 exercise modes, heart rate and sleep tracking, stress management tools, Alexa and Google Wallet integration, and up to 6 days of battery life, plus a 6-month premium membership for personalized fitness insights. Our fifth deal features the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine, now 21% off, priced at $550, down from $700. This all-in-one espresso maker includes a built-in conical burr grinder, precise digital temperature control, low-pressure pre-infusion for balanced flavor, and a steam wand for crafting rich microfoam milk and beautiful latte art. Our sixth deal features the Fitbit Charge 6 Fitness Tracker, now 38% off, priced at $100, down from $160. It offers built-in GPS with Google Maps navigation, Google Wallet Tap to Pay, advanced heart rate tracking, and workout guidance features designed to help you stay active and connected wherever you go. Our seventh deal features this Drio humidifier for bedroom, now 10% off, priced at $36, down from $40. It runs quietly with ultrasonic technology, offers up to 36 hours of continuous moisture from its 4-liter tank, features easy top fill cleaning, and delivers fine mist distribution with ambient lighting for a fresher, more comfortable atmosphere. Our eighth deal features the Amazon Echo Spot, now 31% off, priced at $55, down from $80. This sleek smart alarm clock offers vibrant sound with Alexa voice control, customizable clock faces, smart home integration, and built-in Eero Wi-Fi extension for smooth streaming and reliable connectivity throughout your space. Our ninth deal features the Beats Solo 4, now 35% off, priced at $130, down from $200. These sleek headphones deliver powerful, customized Beats sound with personalized spatial audio, up to 50 hours of battery life, fast charging for 5 hours of playback in just 10 minutes, and an ultralight ergonomic design for all-day comfort. Our 10th deal features this K-Cup Pod coffee maker, now 39% off, priced at $127, down from $210. It brews multiple cup sizes with a strong brew option, includes a large 75-ounce water reservoir, offers temperature control and an iced coffee setting, and delivers hot, fresh coffee in minutes for quick, flavorful mornings. Our 11th deal features the Google Pixel 10, now 25% off, priced at $599, down from $799. This sleek smartphone packs the powerful Tensor G5 chip, Gemini AI, a triple camera system with 20 times Super Res zoom, a vivid Actua display with 3000 nit brightness, and durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection for everyday resilience. Our 12th deal features the Levoit Air Purifier, now 10% off, priced at $90, down from $100. This AHAM verified purifier uses a powerful 56-watt motor and HEPA-grade filtration to remove 99.97% of airborne particles, offers multiple filter options for pets, smoke, or toxins, and runs whisper quiet at night with advanced quiet KEAP technology. Our 13th deal features the Shure Vocal Dynamic Microphone, now 20% off, priced at $351, down from $439. This studio-grade mic delivers crystal clear vocals with a dynamic cartridge and cardioid pattern, advanced noise isolation, built-in pop filter, and professional XLR connectivity for rich, broadcast-quality sound trusted by top creators worldwide. Our 14th deal features the Fitbit Inspire 3, now 30% off, priced at $70, down from $100. This lightweight fitness tracker monitors heart rate, stress, sleep, and daily activity with 20+ exercise modes, offers smartphone notifications and a 10-day battery, and includes a 6-month premium membership for the deeper health insights. Our 15th deal features these earplugs for sleeping, now 59% off, priced at $36, down from $87. They deliver 45 decibel noise reduction with multi-layer acoustic filters, feature ultra-soft silicone for cloud-like comfort, include multiple ear tip sizes for a perfect fit, and come in a stylish, reusable design ideal for sleep, travel, or concerts. Our 16th deal features the Google Nest Thermostat, now 31% off, priced at $90, down from $130. This Energy Star certified smart thermostat saves energy automatically, lets you control temperature remotely, creates efficient schedules through the Google Home app, and monitors your HVAC system for maintenance alerts and performance insights. Deal 17 brings the Levoit Vital 200 SP Air Purifier, now 16% off at $160, down from $190. AHAM certified for trusted performance, it delivers powerful whole room purification with 99.97% HEPA efficiency, a high intake dual air system for faster cleaning, and smart auto mode that quietly maintains fresh, allergen-free air even while you sleep. Deal 18 introduces the Amazon Aero Pro 7, now 18% off at $450, down from $550. Built on next-generation Wi-Fi 7 technology, it delivers blazing speeds up to 3.9 gigabits per second, supports 400+ devices, and uses TrueMesh software for seamless roaming and rock-solid coverage across every corner of your home or office. Deal 19 features the Beats Studio Buds, now 47% off at $80, down from $150. They offer powerful balanced sound through a custom acoustic platform, with active noise canceling and transparency modes, a comfortable fit, and up to 24 hours of total playtime with sweat and water resistance. Deal 20 highlights the Waist Toner Box, now 21% off at $28, down from $36. It's compatible with a wide range of Brother printers, delivers a high page yield of up to 50,000 pages, and ensures clean, efficient toner collection for consistent print quality and long-lasting printer performance. That's a wrap on all 20 deals. Check the links in the description to grab these offers before they expire, and be sure to subscribe for more amazing deals videos. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!